Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Stuart here to bring you with another quick preview of a ROM of XDA. This is the Miui-AU ROM of XDA. I'll put a link in the bottom bar. Just a few things about the ROM. Let's just get up to the top here. It's based off of I think it's the latest version of 1.2.9 R1 stable. It's the data to whatever version. It's got a few new things added to it. Sorry, it's just a quick preview to show you where to get it from, what the website's going to look like. Scroll down, yada yada yada. Okay, back over. I haven't played around with this ROM. I think this is the first time I've reflashed this current ROM. I've usually stuck to the Rodriguez style Miui mod. For fuck's sakes. Yeah, excuse my French. Okay, just a quick preview. From my knowledge, as far as I know, Miui has been based on to being an iPhone clone, and that's why not many people like it, because they are on Android, and they're on Android for a reason, because they don't like Apple. Now, I've got an iPod. I am an Apple fan, but I'm not an Apple fanboy. I'm a fan of both Apple and Android and BlackBerry. Here's my BlackBerry. See? Can I just to show you some few features of it. Here's the new Miui gallery. The Miui it's the Miui gallery. Back. Come on. Just to show you the Miui camera, which I actually think is pretty snazzy. Settings. You can adjust the brightness. Indoor, whether you want to bright your flash. You can add different grayscale, negative, just that type of deal. And then you've got the size. If you want wider angle, you want a grid, sound, geotagging, autofocus, and whether you want to review it or not, whether you want to review the picture or not. It's back. Home. There's your quick preview screen. If you want to add something, add another screen, just touch that, touch, and as far as I know, you can go to an unlimited amount of screens here, and you can just carry on and on and on and on forever. But I think it'll be a bit of a waste of time, because, if you've got apps to SD, you can have as many apps as you want. So you could go on forever, but yeah, I wouldn't do that. It'll slow your phone down really, really, really bad. Okay, now a quick preview of the Miui music app. I'm sure you can slide that up. No, you got to choose a track first. Choose some Metallica today. Feeling some Fade to Black. And you can drag that up there, and it gives you the lyrics and so on, which I actually think is nice. And stop that. And you got your artists, the usual. You got your albums, you got your directory, you got your playlists, and you got your search, where you can search for it. There's the I think that's the HTC IME keyboard. Sorry, I'm tongue twisted today. To change the keyboard, let's have a look here. So I'm just jumping around from feature to feature. I'm just in a bit of a hurry. And then we've got the Android keyboard. I'm not sure if this is skinned or not. No, it's this is the old Android keyboard. Hey, I've missed this one. Haven't seen this one in a long time. Okay, it's a nice, efficient keyboard. Let's go back. And then into settings. You got your Wi-Fi visual settings, you know, the usual. Flight mode, Bluetooth, wallpapers, call ringtones, notification ringtone, visual settings. Then you got your personal, that's your personal stuff where you can set up the phone to be how you want it to be. Then you got your system, you got your, there's your network settings there. There's your system and hardware. Let's go about phone quickly. This is Android 2.2.1, codename Froyo. More info, cover a few things up there, don't want you to see. Phone model unknown, kernel version. Oh, and I'm running a custom kernel on here. It's the 2.6.35.10 Wildmark kernel. You can get that off of XDA. I'll also put a link down in the bottom bar where you can get that off of. You can overclock the ROM to 1.15 gigahertz, I think. Pretty quick. Well, actually, really horribly quick. Oh wait, forgot to go where we were. Then you got your battery settings. You got your LED notification settings. You can have the solid bar for that, or you can have the percentage. Okay, sorry, come on, autofocus. Sorry about this, guys. Okay, there we go. And then you can choose it into the green top bar, which I actually think is pretty neat. You open up some space on your status bar, and now into the status bar, so you can have a look what that looks like. Slide that down, nice and clean. You can slide that across. You've got all your settings, your API, your backlight, your sounds, your vibration, Bluetooth, GPS, where you want to sync it or not. You got your flight mode, you got your lock, you got your torch. Shine that there. You got your torch, which is very handy. You can reboot and you can switch your phone on or off. You got your Wi-Fi, you got your mobile networks. Let's have a look at your phone. Save your contacts. I haven't synced anything up yet. Just lucky for me that you can't steal my numbers. There is your phone app. Nice and clean. There's your file manager. Looks to be it. Yes, there we go. You got your file manager. Oh, come on. I'm back. Oh, there we go. Let's have a quick look here. You got your car home, you got your email, you got your theme manager. Let's have a look at that. You can choose your themes, whatever themes are on here, what you have chosen. I've got an Android 2.3 theme here. You can well, the good thing about Miui is that you can theme it, and you can download themes, or you can make your own custom themes. I wouldn't quite recommend, or I would recommend that, but it's going to be a bit of a mission. Yeah, and there are the icons off the 2.3. You got your launcher, you got your the icons. You can read that, you can see that. Yeah, just to show you what to do. You got your voice, you got your correlation configurations, you got your FM radio. What is that? That's nice. First time I've seen that. Okay, there seems to be a one-click install. It's the Miui app share, where you can share apps with friends and other people that are using the Miui ROM. Utilities. There you go. You got that. You got your camera. You got your super user. You got your that deal. Fancy widgets. Okay. Yeah, you got that. You got your Google search. You got your quick boot. Let's just do a reboot here quickly. Let's just reboot the phone so you can have a look what the phone looks like when it's in reboot, or the boot screen with the phone. Yeah. Okay, sorry, I'm blabbing on now. Okay, there we got that. Okay, this takes a bit of a while to get through there. Okay, let's just read you a few specs on the ROM. Just go up. Okay, Miui-AU is a radical HTC Desire and Nexus One Chinese ROM built from the Google source code, yada yada yada. Updated apps to SD. Okay, sorry. Let's get on back into that. There's your boot screen. Runs through a log cat. Nice, very, very, very nice. I like that. Okay, sorry about that. Just jumping back and forth here. There's your lock screen, and there you go. Sorry about the oddness of the video. As I've said, I'm doing a series of these videos, just quick, dirty, nothing, just straightforward. Straight from Flash. From flashing the ROM, I do a video of the ROM. And there you go. Okay, yeah, what else can I say? Yeah, please subscribe. And comment, tell me where I'm going wrong, what I haven't mentioned, what I've mentioned too many times. Yeah, thanks guys. Enjoy. I'm out.